Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the .NET framework error. Many of us in Windows 7 are special in getting an error to install Windows .NET framework 4 or 4.5. That is, the installation did not succeed. The error code is hresult 0xC800022. So how to fix that error? Just go to command prompt by CMD and right click, run the command prompt as administrator. Now you have to stop the Windows update by the following command: net stop WAUSERV, that is Windows Update Auto Update Service. Hit enter. Windows service is stopping and it stopped successfully. Now you have to rename the folder. The folder is in Windows directory under C. The required folder is software distribution and you can rename the folder to the other name. I am renaming the folder to software distribution.old. So do it in command prompt REN space %WinDIR % software distribution space software distribution.old. Hit enter. It is renamed now. You have to start the Windows Update service again by net start WAUSERV. Hit enter. Windows Update service was started successfully. Now exit. Now install NetFrame. Hope it will be successfully installed. Please subscribe and like this video if you find it is useful. Thank you.